Hi. Well, I've got a nice old Colt out here at the range today. This is a little bitty Colt 32 New Police revolver. I think it was made in 1904. Chambered for 32 New Police, which is exactly the same as 32 Smith & Wesson Long. And while that may look like a empty round or a blank round, that's actually a target wad cutter. The bullet just sets down flush with the case on the target wad cutters, but still fires just as well out of a little service revolver as it does out of a target gun. And it's not all that easy to find 32 Smith & Wesson Long ammo these days, so you kind of use what you can find. But anyway, I figured we'd get this thing out and we'd do a little video with it today. Nice old piece of history. Now these guns were made in different barrel lengths. I think this one is a 3.5 inch. And it was actually pretty common back in the early 1900s for police officers to carry little guns like this. .32 Smith & Wesson Long and .32 Colt New Police are exactly the same, except the Colt loaded them with a different bullet. Even the pressure levels were pretty much the same. Of course, you rarely see ammunition marked 32 Colt New Police anymore. But back in the day, it was a thing. Very little recoil, just like you'd expect. Now these Colt New Police revolvers are interesting old guns. The marking to show up there. You can see there, this one has been hit pretty damned hard with something there. Actually made a dent in the barrel. Get these other markings to focus in. I don't know how well that's going to show up. Considering that it was made in 1904, not bad on finish. It still works perfectly. Got a decent action, maybe just a little bit heavy, but that's common of Colts and, well, any revolver of that era. Pretty good single action pull. The .32 Colt New Police cartridge, like I said before, is exactly the same as the .32 Smith & Wesson Long. Colt just gave it a different name because they didn't want to advertise for Smith & Wesson. Right. But it's a fun old gun to get out once in a while and do a little shooting with. Thanks for watching.